everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a line graph in Google Sheets. So let's get right into it. That's it. Paste your data in Google Sheets. Now select all the cells with your data, go to Insert, and select Chart. In Chart type, select a line. Under Customize, you can come to Chart Style and change the background color or the font. You can also change the chart border color. I'm going to leave mine black. Now in chart and axis title, you can change the chart title. Come to this drop down and you can also add a chart subtitle. Under series, you can customize the point shape and the point size. You can apply this to all series, or you can choose a specific point and customize that part. And that is how to create a line graph in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.